What's up, everyone? Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and the crypto market has been rather quiet of late. And I'm going to use that as an opportunity to make a point, and that is sometimes the best thing to do is nothing at all. That is one of the biggest plights of a day trader is overtrading. But even when it comes to swing trading or just active investing, which is generally what we're focused on with cryptos, I mean, I'm not looking to day trade. There's no need to with crypto, or nor the lifestyle I want to live anymore. So even with that said, doing a trade once or twice a week, or trimming a position or adding to a position, um, sometimes it might be quiet for a while. There might be a full week where there's nothing to do. There might even be longer. I mean, honestly, outside of adding a little Nilo on that bullish U-turn early in the week, or I should say last week, because it is officially Monday now. Um, that's all I did. I mean, if you look at like Bitcoin right now, there's really not much to do. We're still in this descending channel on the daily. We're not bouncing or testing the bottom of it. We're not, hitting the top. It's kind of just going sideways here, trying to decide what it wants to do. It's just kind of consolidating. So let me bring up the Neo chart. As you can see, that worked out well, or it's working out well. Because I added to a core position, so I actually am holding. I didn't take off profits, but I mean, we got the bullish U-turn here. I mean, that was what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was a week ago. It was a week ago when I did the video and jumped into this. And boom, got to the prior high here, and now it's trying to breach that. It's above the prior high closing right now, so we'll see what happens. That would be bullish, but there's really nothing to do. If anything, if you trading it, if you got in on here on a trade, then you would have taken out profits. Basically, would have been the action, which is always nice, taking a payday. So again, not that much to do. I mean, take a look at Litecoin. I was having some fun earlier drawing lines, seeing if we had a descending channel, seeing if this was an uptrend. So it was interesting, that it was riding this, went parabolic, and then look where it's come back to like test, and now it's riding a little bit. So we'll see if this actually is some kind of uptrend lines soon, because either it's going to ride this thing and break out of this descending channel, or we're just going to keep grinding lower. So that'll be interesting. This is kind of a hot mess, though. I forgot I had these lines on here. What else? Let's take a look at Ethereum. So same thing, kind of like, we got the bounce, boom. Now it's just like, all right, what are we doing here? Are we staying above this prior little top? Are we gonna make a run at highs? I mean, middle of nowhere. And that's the thing. If you try and force action, like right here, you can be like, oh, okay, you know what? It just closed above this prior top yesterday, and now it's coming down and kind of testing it. Oh, let me get in here, and then I'll use this prior top as my out at 1150, and I'll hold for a run to the top. I mean, you could do that. It's not the worst, just because you have a good risk reward. But there's no like, it's not like there's a setup. I didn't get a reversal entry setup or anything really, even a bull flag, you name it. No technical trigger. It's just you can set up a good risk reward scenario and see if it works out. But again, it's not a clear trade. You're finding one, and that's the thing. I mean, if you just wait for the real clear, easy ones, your success rate is going to be sick. But most people don't have the patience for it or the time. But if you're not, living off this income, if you're not, if you don't have to pull income out of the crypto market regularly, to support yourself, then you do have that luxury of just taking your time. So that's really all I wanted to share for this video, because people might be wondering, oh, is the crypto market dead, or how come people aren't doing as much, trading videos or whatever it is. I mean, things are quiet right now. And that is not a surprise. Apparently, January has been a quiet to down month, or down month, but also quiet for Bitcoin for several years in a row now. So we will see what happens in the coming weeks. That is all for now, though. Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide. I will catch you later.